removing the strut on the V70 because I thought that the spring had gone through the tyre. It actually turns out that the strut has collapsed, which landed straight in the wheel, immediately popping it. Start by removing the ABS sensor from the back of the hub, 10mm socket, and hopefully it won't be seized into the hub. Somehow on the Volvos I've never had an ABS sensor stick, so that came out easily by hand. We'll pull the cabling out of the clip here and tuck the So we've got the 2 bolts holding the strut to the hub. Now these will most likely be very tight. I've already checked. This is the original strut. So I'm going to spray it with penetrating fluid and then clean this off afterwards so that we don't leave the nut and bolt slipping. I've had to switch to some 6-point sockets as the 12 points had started twisting the nut, the edges, corners of the nut. If the bolts don't come out as easy as this, then you'll need to put the nut back on the end so that you don't mushroom the bolt. To remove the drop link, I had to remove mine at the bottom because obviously the mount was on top of it at the top. So I've got the drop link detached at the bottom because it's stuck under the bottom mount. So as you can see, that's where the bottom mount should be welded to, and it's dropped down to the bottom. So I'll get this spring put on the new strut. What's interesting about these struts is this is actually below the top mount, and this is the top mount, which is completely separate from the part that's keeping the spring compressed. And here's what the strut looked like with the spring off. a size bigger, so that needs to go to the bottom, which I've never noticed before. Usually the... I have to jack the car up.